So in the box we'll get, so if you look around the box you will see that in the box this will be, since this is a black variation of the JBL Flip 5, this will have the black theme in all around the sides, you can see, and in here you can see that it has special instructions. So inside the box you will get this pouch which will keep your JBL Flip 5 safe. Even if you drop when your JBL Flip 5 is in the box, you will drop this pouch, which means that your JBL Flip 5 will be highly protected inside this pouch. This is a pouch you get in the box. So inside the box, if you see, you will get things like, you will get this, a black envelope in which you have the reading instructions. Let's see what is inside. So you'll get the warranty card, you'll get this, and you will get the warranty card. It says Harman in the back, and yeah, so that's that. So now inside the box you will get, inside this envelope, inside this black envelope, you will get more things like the quick start guide, in which there is all of these instructions, right? You will get the quick start guide, you can clearly see that, and you will get a USB type C cable. Here you can see that it's detailed inside in red, which means that you will get a highly detailed piece of tech right here, right? So now if you get into the main thing right here is the JBL Flip 5. So here you can see that you can easily get it out of the box without breaking the box actually. So this is the JBL Flip 5, and let's see. So the JBL Flip 5 comes with all of these, and here you can see the JBL Flip 5 in its sides, and there will be a close-up video of this, right? So here you can see the JBL Flip 5, and these are the sides. When you play some bass, the sides will actually move, and which will give you a premium bass sound. So let me focus it. Right here you can see the sides, and this is the other side of it, the JBL logo, and here is also the JBL logo. And here from the sides you can see that you can turn the power on from this button, and the power on and the Bluetooth from this, right? So now you have the JBL Flip 5 brandings right here, and here you can connect your USB-C, which you get in the box. And yeah, so that's about it. And you can see that this is one of the best materials that they have used to make this, and the sides are made with strong rubber. The sides and the frame is made with strong rubber, and this is actually a material, a fabric material, which is dust and water resistant, IP certified X7 water resistant. And here you can clearly see that this is one of the best you can get. So here you have the party boost option, the volume up option, the volume down, and play options. You can pair this up with many more speakers, and then you can get a clear experience on how to listen to music with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos. Thanks.